guys, rachaelcprhair here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got these really pretty waves in my hair. I did not flat iron my hair per se as much as I blow dried my hair, and I used the flat iron brush. So I guess it is a flat iron brush. It is the dry bar flat iron brush. This is what it looks like. I did not show this in the video because I kind of just picked it up and started blow drying just started using it on my hair, and I didn't record it. I'm sorry. But after I finished with this, my hair isn't really flat. My hair is just like a blow dry, and that's the way I like to use the wand on my hair, unless it's just in its natural state, because otherwise my hair gets entirely too flat. So I am trying to have as much fun with my hair while I have my hair cut. When I grow it out, I have to be a little bit more cautious of what I use on my hair because I don't want to dry out my ends if I want to keep my length. So I'm trying to have some fun with my hair, and today was supposed to be date night, but my son has a class tonight, so we are not going to have our date night. But I still decided I was just going to go through with what I had planned for my hair and my makeup. And again, I used the dry bar. I believe it's called a flat iron brush. I believe that's what it's called. If it's not, I will definitely let you know what it's called. But I use this right here, and I use this curling wand, and this was the second time that I used this curling wand. I've had this for absolute years, and I didn't use it simply because I felt that the barrel being all one size was going to be an issue for me, because I like for the barrel to actually have the graduated tip where it gets smaller. But I decided I was going to use it, and I really like the way the curls came out. My curls are not necessarily very you know, they're not structured. They're just kind of messy, and I really like that, because going from having my natural hair in its natural state, just kind of being free, I like the idea of when I blow dry my hair or do something where it's more straight, that it's actually in the same kind of a feel. And I think that I get that with this iron here, where it's not so uniform as much as it is nice, and like nice whimsical curls. I'm a very whimsical person, so this is something that I really like. Let you see the back. My haircut is already really starting to grow out, and so I said, okay, I have to start having some more fun with my hair before it's all completely grown out. And you'll also notice in the video clip that I curl my hair on this side, but then for some reason I try to get away from parting my hair on this side, but it just doesn't work out for me. I always end up flipping it back over. But anyway, you'll see all of that in the video. It's just something fun to do. I'm definitely not going to be able to have this until tomorrow, and I'm not going to redo this because I don't like to like recurl my hair, because it tends to give you little dry patches, and I don't want to have any damage done to my hair. The heat protector that I used on my hair is the Living Proof Flex Hairspray, and this is what it looks like. Nice chic bottle. I love this so much. I love this bottle of spray. It smells amazing. Very clean. And I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, my lip color for today is my NYX Soft Matte Lip Color. It doesn't really look the same as in the bottle. When you put it on your lips, it's a little bit lighter. Very beautiful color. And then on top today, I do not have on the Bath & Body Works Menthol Lip Shine. I actually have on Lemon Shine from Victoria's Secret. It's the Beauty Rush color, and this is really beautiful, and it gives it a nice glossy gold on top of it. And I thought it would add a nice touch to this really rich color, and I really do like it. So without any more talking, I am going to show you the clip of how I curled my hair like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.